My parents are not sleeping last night. We came from a down background and we always try to maintain that. My parents initially hesitated to come here because of the language barrier and they had
Okay.
never been outside.
Okay.
So it's their first international
Oh,
trip.
is it?
No, it was not just my brother who is idoling Virat Bhai.
Yeah.
It's also my father.
Oh, okay.
Whole family is a fan of Virat Bhai's family. My father, whenever he sees my brother on the ground, he just remembers all those days when he struggled.
Welcome to Times of India Sports. Nitish Reddy set the stage on fire yesterday in front of over 80,000 people who scored his maiden Test century. He was down on his knee, planted the bat like a flag, and celebrated like there was no tomorrow. In the stands, there was his family, his father, his mother, his sister, who celebrated all the hardships which had gone into making Nitish Reddy what he is today. Joining me today for a very special conversation is his sister, who has been very busy since yesterday. I think she has already become a star now. She's all over the place. Thank you for taking time for us.
Thank you.
If you look back at the last 24 hours, how special have they been for the Reddy household?
My parents are not sleeping last night.
Okay.
They are happy and they even don't sleep. Everyone is calling. It's busy. My phone is going out of notifications all the time.
Okay.
And obviously we had that jet lag. We could not sleep. And
Yeah.
last night it's to next level. No sleep at all.
Coming here, I know a lot of people would have spoken to you, your friends, your cousins, your relatives, but now तो अब आप भी एक star बन गए यार. Nitish Reddy's sister 100 at MCG. So how busy have you been managing, and you have been coordinating all the interviews for the parents. So does it feel surreal? Do you feel over the top now?
No.
We worked so hard for it, and now we are here all because of him, and so much has happened in the last few hours.
Always we came from a down background and we always try to maintain that. We don't want to go high. We don't want to keep our heads up. Like only heads up when my brother is playing. Very proud and happy. And we'll be the same.
Yesterday when he was batting on 99, father was praying in the stands. We all were anxious in the press box. What were you feeling? What was going through your heads? And how much were you cheering for Mohammad Siraj that just survived those two deliveries?
Me and my mom, the same. We are also praying near the box. We are near
Okay.
the box and we are praying and we are tense. Like we are unable to sit, we are unable to stand. We are like very much tensed, anxious. And finally when Siraj Bhai gave that strike to him, saving that strike, we are very thankful to Washington Sundar brother as well as Siraj Bhai.
You just said that you came just for this match. So was it like the universe sent its signal, right? He got start in every game, but he saved the 100 for the family, the biggest stage of them all. How did it all happen? When did you decide you will only come for the Boxing Day test, or was it always decided that this test you will be coming for?
We did not decide particularly like we will come for this match, but my parents initially hesitated to come here because of the language barrier and they had
Okay.
never been outside.
Okay.
So it's their first international
Oh,
trip.
is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So they are a little bit hesitated, but we said these moments don't come back again and again. My brother said, just come and watch. My uncle is here in Australia. He's living in Australia.
Okay.
So my uncle is helping us out. My
Okay.
uncle is staying. We are all staying together,
Okay.
and we are having some family time.
You couldn't have timed it better, but there's this picture on Instagram where the family is posing with Virat Bhai's wife Anushka Sharma. So how many star moments have you encountered? I'm sure you would have seen a lot of movies, then posing with Anushka there in the hotel lobby. You meeting your brother's idol, someone everyone looks up to, Virat Kohli. So just talk about those things. Like when you met Anushka, what was your feeling? Were you like starstruck then?
No, it was not just my brother who is idoling Virat Bhai.
Yeah.
It's also my father.
Oh, okay.
Whole family is a fan of Virat Bhai's family.
Okay.
Meeting Anushka ma'am is also very happy. Like during Naman Awards, when my brother is unable to get a photograph from Virat Bhai, Anushka ma'am came in, stepped in, and she gave a photograph, and we felt very happy. Like at least ma'am gave a photograph, and that's a fanboy moment for my brother, and at that time my uncle is also there.
Okay.
And
Did
now
you remind Anushka about that moment when you met her?
Ayo,
That you
no,
gave-
no,
you
no.
gave her-
I'm nervous at the first time to
Okay.
speak this all
Yeah.
out. But Virat bhai, yesterday when we met, we are telling about this.
Okay, so you spoke. Just lastly, you were there. The entire family was today in the commentary box. Nitish's father became very emotional when meeting Sunny Bhai, Sunil Gavaskar. Just talk about that. Touching the entire family was touching his feet. So what happened there actually?
These are all the happy moments, right? All the struggles.
Yeah.
My father, whenever he sees my brother on the ground, he just remembers all those days
Yeah.
when he struggled.
Yeah.
And now all the struggles were gone.
Yeah.
So all those comes into his mind, and all those happy tears.
Yeah.
These blessings are because all these legends.
Yeah.
They are the inspiration to the younger ones,
Yeah,
right? My father, when he is young, they are the legends.
Correct.
And
correct.
so
So it was a
taking
fanboy
blessings,
moment
yeah.
for the father too. Yeah. Thank you so much. So will you be there for the Sydney test as well?
Yes,
Now?
yes.
Okay. So now that the 100 has come, the family is anticipating more in Sydney. India are looking good in the ongoing Boxing Day test. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Nice meeting you.
And I hope you have a wonderful time in Australia and wish you all the luck and all the happiness.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Keep watching TY Sports. We'll keep bringing you more updates from Ground Zero here in Australia. Like, share, subscribe. Click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.